Welcome to my channel at Freedom to Wander, where I'm building an expedition-style Overland full-size truck. 2007 Chevy Z71. I hope you sit down, enjoy the video, and, well, I can talk about it to you all day long, but let me just show you the truck. So I'm in it now, and so far what I've done is a rough country lift kit, a free truck cap. I used some cheap secondhand wood, some free materials, and some spray foam, and this is what it looks like. Hey, follow this build for more tips on how to build your dream truck without having to spend a buttload of money.